Give me life, give me life.
Hey guys, right now we're having business. Yeah, we're having business now. So I don't know what we're doing today. We're probably getting briefed on today.
Hello, people.
We're actually doing patterns, but now we're having
that the fashion designer's business acumen is quite simple.
Hey guys, we're actually about to continue with patterns. We're busy with the corsets and right now we're doing patterns for corset. So right now we're busy with that. We're going to continue. Yeah, that's it for the day. This is what I've done so far. This is the front borders and then that's the back. So yeah, I still need to complete this. It's still incomplete.
I'm curving downward about midway. I'm taking my ruler and I'm curving upwards. I'm already done that. Okay. Okay.
Big. Okay, throw me. I'm on.
Okay, walk on. Not kicking, that's how it should be.
I think it was the throw me. I don't think it was the gym. It was fine.
Start at the 2.5 mark and you're going to blend it into the circle, the bust circle line by a little bit, okay? So it's just that slight little curvature over there, okay? Blending into it. So over is getting 0.
Okay, Miss Sam, how was your day today?
Make our markings, lesson R. Then we'll start at the center front, work our way across, okay? Alright. Okay, so the first one will be this section over here. It is below the waistline, 10.4 centimeters. Make your marking at the bottom. So notch, where your notch is at the waistline, you'll measure 10.4 centimeters and make a marking. 10.4. 10.4 from the waist notch.
Going down.
And then we just mark it down.
Oh, he said everything is.
No, that's not the spare. That's the one that was out. So
Yeah,
that is
the
the
spare.
spare.
No,
That is the spare.
Oh, so switch it on.
It is on. It's by them only.
I wanted it, it was neglected.
No, it was on. You switched it off.
No, I can attest to that. Like, lately nobody was using it.
Yes.
Until
Alright.
Cindy took it.
Then what I want you to do is go to the waistline, okay? at the opening of the door on the way. I would then like for you to go to the side seam and measure below the waistline 5.4 centimeters.
Damn.
Like such. Make your mold.
Hi people.
Yes, right, Wimpy.
My love button flowers.
Okay, so this time I want you to curve
can't afford
out
that.
that hem.
Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. She's losing the thing.
With a slight curvature.
Finished our corset patterns and tomorrow we're gonna do finals. So today I'm gonna go home. It's actually 1 now. This is not usually the time we leave around 2, but today we can leave early. Tomorrow we're actually gonna start the finals. But yeah, I'm going home. I'll check with you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys, we're done for the day. I'm not done because I was busy talking.
Of course.
Ugh, I hate her. Anyways.
Good morning guys. It is the second day of the week, which is Tuesday for y'all that didn't know. Yeah, today's Tuesday. We're still doing the pattern. We're still in the pattern cycle. So when I say we're still in the pattern cycle, I mean by we doing patterns for like a week in 2 days, but we still have other academic subjects every day, which is only for about an hour. So that's one subject per day, and then it's only for like an hour, sometimes 30 minutes or so. We continue with our patterns. So right now, currently we're still in the pattern cycle, as I said. Yesterday we were busy making our corset, but today we're going to continue on doing finals today. So we're going to add seam allowance, our grain lines, our grain lines, and all of that. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. Currently 8:40 right now. I need to go. Cindy just texted me that she's done, so I need to grab my bag and go walk to school right now. Talk to you guys when I'm at school. So we made.
Hi.
Boys, we're at Engine. Cindy's about to get some flavored water. Flavored water. Oh, do you know? No, that's
You
like
lie.
no. That's what I'm saying to my sister. It's true.
I know you lied.
I really don't remember seeing him. I really don't remember seeing him. Oh.
Once it's saved enough, we'll work our way around the bust circle. Okay. So at this make sense? Excellent. Okay, so we will be using guideline 3. So what you can do is go ahead and plot that in. So from the armhole notch to the bust point, we go ahead and we add that in. And then what is the measurement for that armhole guideline?
6 millimeters.
Fantastic, guys. And then each side of our waist dart.
Alright guys, so right now the pattern we did today was a bustier with straps, and right now we finished our working pattern, which is this one that I made. Yep. And now I'm actually busy with finals, so I have to trace this out because these are 2 panels. I have to trace it out, and then I'm gonna add seam allowance everywhere and label this, and I have to actually finish this so that I don't have a lot of work tomorrow. I'm actually tired guys, I'm really not in the mood today. Like, the energy levels are just low. I'm just really exhausted today. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon.
What we're going to do is we're going to start off by marking out our okay, I'll start at the bottom and I'll work our way up.
The back for my pattern. I just need to highlight and label, but I actually need my lecturer to check in with my work before I go ahead and highlight and do finals for this pattern. Anyways guys, I'm busy packing right now, and I'm actually on my way to run errands. I need to buy few things, and then it's 2 right now, so I need to pack up, and I'm gonna go tired. And I have a headache right now, so I'm gonna call it a day and go home. We're actually in Mamma Mia shop right now, and look what Cindy found. I am not. Okay, so we're going home. Okay guys, so right now we're in Depot, and I'm looking. Okay, Cindy wants to get a vase for flowers, and I also want to look for a journal book, but I don't know, I don't see cute ones over here. I don't want to go to B&A. Oh wait, change of plans. So today we're actually not gonna go get the stuff, we're gonna go tomorrow.
It was Alvira's idea.
Well, yes it was, but we're actually gonna get the stuff tomorrow, basically after school. So then I'll be, yeah, okay. And for now I'm gonna buy the journaling book, I'm tired and I have a headache. Tired. I'm tired of the way you treat me. Someone who's tired, she's annoying. Hey guys, it is a brand new week and we're still in the pattern cycle today. But today, we are actually handing in all our patterns today, which is submitting and finishing off what we need to finish. And I'm actually running late, but I really don't care. Running late. But I am gonna leave now in a few minutes. But first, I'm gonna stop at Vida a cafe and then get me like a macho. I don't know, I forgot the name for that thing. But yeah, I'm gonna get that. My matcha power, and now I'm about to go to class. I'm actually super late, guys. Super late, but I actually need to go right now. I think I'm gonna run. I'm just joking, guys. But I'm gonna walk now. I just arrived at school right now. If you wanna ask me how my smoothie tastes, I just taste freaking peanut butter. Peanut butter is super strong. Like I can taste it, but it's not that bad. I would probably rate it like a 7. I actually sewing today. I forgot to tell you guys, but I really got caught up at work. Just sewing in invisible stuff.
Let's go.
Oh no, let's not do that. You know what? It's fine. Let's not do that. It's fine. Hey guys, so I finished sewing today, like 3 samples today in class. I'm actually on my way back home. Hi! Kiki, say hi to my vlog.
It's not a vlog. She says it's a vlog.
So what?
Because she's Afrikaans.
Ach, je de trap van vergelijken.
So, in terms of the draping, I don't know who's thinking that they're gonna be doing draping for me.
She's bothering me. No, like, isn't it we are putting it like from here and then going down like that?
Very nice. Yes.
This is really nice.
Okay, so when I have a higher, yeah, we have a higher. Make sure that you do on the side. Yeah.
But we didn't have to, right? I was looking it down.
Don't stress about that. It's actually an advantage. Internet is just a little slow. Let me close some stuff.
give
We are
research
done.
files, and so I'm quite good at double, I'll read what one side has to say, and then I'll read another thing, and I'll read another thing, and I'll read another thing, and then I'll be like, okay, so this is...
Let's see how that actually looked like. That was like draping. It was just like an in-class activity for today, and then tomorrow we'll do something else, and then the day after that going to the beach with the class. But as of today it was just more of learning how to drape with certain fabric. And now I'm on my way home. It's actually 12:30 right now, so I'm on my way home. Hey guys, so today is actually Friday. Today we're actually going to the beach. We're going to Clifton today with the class, basically the school. We're going with school to Clifton today. I was gonna walk to school, and then from there I'm gonna get a lift to Clifton Beach and then back as well. I am late, so I need to be there by 9 already, and it's like 8:30ish right now after, and I still need to buy snacks and get myself a drink at Beer Cafe and buy snacks as well. Right now I quickly gonna rush to spa, and from there on I'll just probably come back and pack a few more things, and then from here on I'll Uber to school. Got my snacks. There's a change of plans. They don't really have what I wanted, so now I'm gonna get a strawberry smoothie. Got my smoothie. So I just got an Uber right now. He's actually a minute away. I head downstairs right now. So I'll really talk to you guys when I'm at the beach. Yeah.
Late night, bare feet, sweat on, cool breeze. You move like you own the dust. Gold bangles on your wrist, they rush. Spin once and the whole room turns. Eyes closed, you just feel that burn. Who taught you to sway like that? Who showed you your heart could clap? Every step a secret phrase, every breath another way.
Hey guys, so we've actually arrived at Clifton Beach now. I don't know if we're gonna wait for the others. We don't know where we're going. We do. Do you? Do you know? Exactly. So why are you saying we don't even know where we're going? Anyway.
What's up?
Ah, there's so many stairs. Wow. It's actually quite not that hot just yet. It actually feels so relaxing.
I think wheels are fast. What wheels are
We're still at the beach 1 hour later. And it feels like it's been an hour now. Yeah, around 10. Beach is beaching, but hey guys, me, I'm tired and I want to call it a day now. I wait for another hour and just chill a bit and relax. Like and subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.